What's up, guys? This is Top Tactic Fishing, and we are fishing right in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, fishing near bridges, and we're catching some big flatheads tonight. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. I am here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and we are doing a night bite. Going for some flathead catfish tonight. I'm going to be showing you how to catch flatheads near bridge structure. As you can, it's nighttime right now, but I'm not sure if you can see it in front of me or not, but we are near a bridge here in Urban City, Philadelphia. I have been here before, caught many flatheads, and I'm going to show you just how important it is for location when targeting these flatheads. And so I'm going to show you what I'm using and where we're casting these rods out as far as this bridge structure goes. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to be using 3 rods tonight for our setup. We're fishing from the bank. So I'm in this specific area. You can see the bridge here right in front of me, and there's a lot of rocks on the bottom with this bridge piling here, so there's definitely going to be some flatheads in here. Pretty much any river that has flatheads, wherever there's bridges, there's going to be flathead catfish there. So and hopefully we can hook up into one tonight. We can show you just how effective fishing near bridges can be. Alright, guys, we had some rain today, so this could even make it a better night for going for these flatheads. We're using, this is a St. Croix Mojo Cat baitcast rod. It's worked really well for me in my arsenal. And we're using this Catmaxx reel. Okay. And I have a 50-pound braided line down to this fish finder rig here, with a swivel down to a 80-pound monofilament leader with a 8/0 Team Catfish double action circle hook. And in this particular part of the river, all we need is 2 ounces of weight based on how the current looks and everything. Sorry, guys, there's going to be a lot of bugs near this camera on this video. And the sound might be muffled, so I apologize. Since I'm fishing at night, it's going to be a lot of bugs with this being attracted to this light. I'm sorry, guys, this is actually a 5/0 hook I'm using here, which I'll use for the cut bait. All right, now I'll show you the size of the sunfish that we're using. Oh, this one landed right in my backpack here. Very small, as you can see. This one's maybe like 5 inches, but what I like to do is cut off the tail so it doesn't nearly move around as much, and I also like to cut off the top part of the fin. Okay. Just so it doesn't move around nearly as much and it really looks injured in the water. Doesn't affect the fish at all whatsoever as far as harming it. So that's just kind of my preference. And with this one, we're going to put a cut head on this one. Alright, just like that. Make sure you get your scales off the hook, guys. That's very important. You'll lose a fish over that. Alrighty, so this one's ready to go. We're going to put 2 ounces on this one as well. Alright, for this last one here, we're going to try to use this creek chub that I caught today. See if I can find them. All right, there we go. There's your creek chub here, guys. Got a flathead on here. This one's on the cut bait, I believe. Not too big, but fish is a fish, especially for these flatheads. All right, just brought him over. Actually, this is a channel cat. Look at that one, guys. That's a decent sized channel. Nice channel catfish. He'll probably go maybe 2-3 pounds, something like that. Right on this. This is on a cut bluegill head. So small ones tonight. Haven't seen any big ones, but we're fishing near this bridge right behind me, hugging close to it, and we're targeting flathead catfish. But I'll take a channel anytime. We're gonna go ahead and release this one. Alright guys, look at this one. This is about a 7-pound flathead. I'm gonna go ahead and release this one. Alright guys, so we actually landed another flathead here. Had to change, my battery died through this fight, so sorry we didn't get this one on video. My battery died, so had to reel in the fish and then switch batteries real quick. But this is probably 7-8 pounds if I had to guess. Beautiful fish here. We're gonna go ahead and release this one. I got something on here. How long is this fish gonna bring me? Oh man. This is a decent one here, guys. What we got? Pure strength of this flathead here. This one was running for a while. these flatheads will stack up near these bridge pilings. All season long. All right. Woo. Let's look at this one. This one's probably a 10-pound flathead if I had to guess. Close to it. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna go ahead and release this one. All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits for the night. We fished for about close to 3 hours. So as you can see, fishing near bridges for these flatheads can be very effective. Biggest going about 10 pounds. They're all pretty small, but it was all more about quantity over quality tonight. And so I encourage you to fish near your bridges, in the rivers for these flatheads. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing.